Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to add Ecwid to your HTML website. A quick way to turn any site into an online store in 2025. First, go to the Ecwid website and sign in or create a free account. Once inside your dashboard, click website on the left sidebar, then choose add Ecwid to your site. Scroll down until you see the embed code section. Copy the HTML snippet provided. This is your store code. Now, open your HTML website files using your editor or file manager. Paste that code where you want the store to appear, usually inside the body tag of your main page. Save your changes, then refresh your live website. You should now see your Ecwid store fully embedded and ready for sales. And that's it. Your Ecwid store is now added to your HTML site, ready to accept payments and start selling in 2025.